Hello aspirants. As you all know, the SCRT has released the syllabus for the upcoming Telangana State Teacher Eligibility Test for Paper 1 and Paper 2. You can go to their websites and download your respective syllabi. And this video, I will be discussing about how you can schedule your study plan for 30 days, especially focusing on the child development and pedagogy. So coming to the TET Paper 2, what is the importance of the topic child development and pedagogy for the exam? As you all might be aware by now that the section 1 of the paper 2 focuses on the child development and pedagogy, and it will be having 30 multiple choice questions, and each question will be having a weightage of 1 mark and there is no negative marking. So from section 1, the probability is that you may achieve 30 out of 30 if you prepare very well. In addition to the section 1, there is section 2, 3 and 4. Section 2 will focus on language 1 and section 3 will focus on language 2. And in this language 1 and language 2 as well, there are concepts related to pedagogy of teaching these languages or the respective subjects. So overall we can say that there is a probability of an additional 30 marks from each section 2, section 3 and section 4. That is 30 plus 30. So approximately we can say that if you are very well perfect in this child development and pedagogy, you will be able to score 50 marks out of the 150 marks. That is, you will be able to qualify this teacher eligibility test even if you master this child development and pedagogy for the examination. So that is the significance of this topic, child development and pedagogy, in clearing your upcoming teacher eligibility test. And for the benefit of the aspirants, I have designed a study plan for the coming 30 days. What is the goal of this study plan is that once you plan perfectly, your task is half done. And this study plan will give you a focus for your preparation. So overall, what I suggest is that daily you schedule 2 hours per section. You will be having 4 sections. So if you are able to give 8 hours per day for the preparation of this teacher eligibility test, there will be no one in between you and your success in the teacher eligibility test. So this study plan will help you in increasing your confidence to make focused study for this preparation. So I will be giving you an overall overview of this study plan. So this study plan break down into 4 weeks of preparation, and I am giving you here only about the section 1. Like in the first week you can focus on the development of child and its fundamentals, and in week 2 you can have the topics related to development psychology and methods. Week 3 you can focus on understanding learning, and week 4 on pedagogical concern, and on week 5 you can focus on the assessment and various policies related to the child development and pedagogical approach. In this way, in the coming 30 days, if you plan for the remaining sections as well, and if you can give 2 hours per paper or per section, definitely you will be able to crack through the teacher eligibility test. Then many of the aspirants are approaching me asking that, Madam, we have got only 92 marks in the TET. What is your suggestion, whether we should apply for the TET or should we focus on the upcoming DSE? My humble suggestion is, for those who have secured less than 100 marks, definitely it is a best approach to prepare for the TET, as these TET marks are also have an weightage in the upcoming DSE. So those who have secured less than 100 in your previous attempts, please prepare well and give a sure shot to this teacher eligibility test, which is going to be conducted in the month of June. Now, what are my tips for the success is, be consistent in your preparation, follow the study plan. If anybody is interested to know the study plan, I am going to give it in the YouTube description as well below this uh, video. You can go through and follow that study plan of 30 days. Use NCERT books as well as the previous year's question papers to understand the pulse of the exam. Revise regularly. Once you study for 2 hours, practice the questions related to that section which you have studied for the day. Revise regularly, practice mock test, follow the 30-day plan regularly, stay positive and confident. And my humble suggestion is, please restrict your social media activity till the completion of the examinations. Wish you all the best of luck for your Telangana State Teacher Eligibility Test, which is going to be conducted in the month of June. And you can download my 30-day plan, prepare thoroughly, invest 2 hours a day, that is 60 hours, and try to get maximum out of the 50 marks allotted for this topic. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.